Good morning, everyone. So, I'll share the plan for reopening of school with you today. I'm Rahil from Glow Preschool. So, post Corona, it's time for us to adapt to the new normal. And with that, we have decided to take certain steps through which we'll be able to open the school in a smooth way. And that's what I want to share with you today. So, this is what the action plan looks like. We'll open the school for 3 days for playgroup and nursery. For playgroup, the school will remain open on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And for nursery, the school will remain open on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For junior KG, the school will remain open every day. Now, just to reiterate, the authorities have not really ruled in any favor for this age group right now, and hence the classes are strictly optional. We are not mandating anybody to attend the classes. If you want to attend the classes from your home, you can still continue to attend the classes from home, and the online classes will go on as usual. So it's once again, let me reiterate: the offline classes, in-person classes are strictly optional. And in case you want to attend in-person classes, you have to collect a consent form and submit that consent form with the school. Now, to ensure the safety of the kids in the school, we have decided to take certain safety precautions. For us, the goal is that there should be zero infections in the school, zero coronavirus infections in the school. For that, we have established a sanitization station. So, whenever kids want to use sanitizer, they can use sanitizer. It's a good idea for you to also send a small sanitizer with the kids, but yeah, we'll have a big bottle of sanitizer with us in the school as well. Next thing is distanced seating. So in the classroom, kids will be sitting far apart from each other so that there is limited exposure to each other. Third thing is we ensure that the airflow is abundant. There is research that if there is air which stays at one place, then there's a higher chance of infection. So we'll keep all the windows open. We have, fortunately, we have premises where we have a lot of windows in every classroom. So windows will stay open. There'll be abundant airflow. There'll be proper air circulation, and the doors for the classes will be locked. What that means is there will be significantly lesser chances of cross contamination. So if there is by any chance one case in one classroom, that will not, there's much less likelihood that that will contaminate other classrooms. So that's why the classroom doors will remain locked. For the staff, masks have been made mandatory. All the staff members have masks on at all times throughout the school day. Whenever anybody arrives to school for the day, we check their temperatures using a temperature gun. And if the temperature is not in the acceptable range, then they are asked to go back. Whether it's a student or it's a staff member, for us it's of utmost importance that safety of everybody is considered. Now, talking about our plans for the primary school, there have been some questions about it from the parents, and hence I thought it's best for me to address this right now. We plan to start grade one and two in the same premises that we have the preschool in right now. We already have applied for permission for starting grade one and two. We have plenty of space in these premises itself to run primary school here itself. As you might be aware, the original plan was to start grade 1 and 2 in a new, bigger campus. But unfortunately, because of coronavirus, there has been a little bit of hiccup with the plans. It has thrown a wrench in the works. So we will start grade 1 and 2 in the same premises. And after that, we'll move on to the newer, bigger campus. For now, we'll be starting senior KG in this year from April. So senior KG will start in the same premises, and the kids who are in junior KG they will move on to senior KG. Next year we'll start grade one and then subsequently grade two as well. Our plan is that kids stay with us till grade 12, and we'll take all the appropriate actions with that. So if you have any concerns, where will my kids go for admission in grade 1? Rest assured, all the kids can stay with us and finish their whole schooling till grade 12 with us only. At the same time, we ensure that the kids' learning is not impeded, and in case somebody wants to make a switch at any stage, they should know more than what is required at that level, so that they can make a switch to a different school in case they get transferred or for whatever reason they decide to make a switch. And that's also not something that you need to worry about at all. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was the plan for feedback and repair. First, I'll talk about junior KG and then I'll talk about nursery as well. So, for junior KG and nursery, the feedback and repair period has been changed from just 1 week to 3 weeks. Originally, it was scheduled between 23rd March to a week, but now it's from 23rd March to 10th April. That makes it 3 weeks. So, feedback and repair is the time where the kids who struggled with something during their assessments are supposed to reinforce their learning so that they know everything that they're supposed to know at the end of the school year. And this time, we'll be revising a lot more academic stuff during feedback and repair because majority of the classes have happened online, and hence we will reinforce the core academics of the classes through feedback and repair week. So in the first week for junior KG, we'll do reading English and reading Hindi. So any all the activities related to reading will be conducted in this week. So phonics, CVC words, sight words, everything will be covered in week 1. In week 2, we'll cover writing. That is writing alphabets, writing numbers, block letters, small letters, everything. In the third week, we'll cover maths. So counting, addition, subtraction, all of that we'll cover in week 3. Now coming to the plan for nursery, the duration of feedback and repair is the same. That is 23rd March to 10th April. The week-wise plan is in the first week, the kids will revise phonics, sounds of the alphabet, and recognition, both English and Hindi. In second week, they'll revise writing. They'll be writing alphabets, numbers, patterns, etc. And in the third week, they'll revise the other topics, primarily science and geography. So if you have any questions or if you need any clarifications, feel free to contact us. You have the mobile number here on the screen, 6018 or you could just drop by the office. You're most welcome to visit the office and speak to us. That's it from me for today. Hope you all have a great day.